What's the meaning of carbolic? Carbolic. Carbolic.
Carbolic. Carbolic. The term carbolic typically refers to a substance that contains carbolic acid, which is also known as phenol. This chemical compound has disinfectant properties and was commonly used in the past as a cleaning and antiseptic agent, especially in medical settings. When used in high concentrations, carbolic acid can be toxic to humans and animals. However, when used safely and appropriately, it can effectively kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms. Overall, carbolic acid played an important role in the development of modern antiseptic practices and remains a valuable tool in certain industries today.